Welcome to the future of sheep farming, where cutting-edge automation meets tradition. In today's video, we'll explore the world's most advanced sheep farming machines, from high-speed shearing robots to smart cleaning and milking systems. Stay tuned as we take you behind the scenes of the most efficient sheep farms on the planet. Regular hoof trimming is vital for preventing infections and lameness in sheep. This advanced automatic hoof trimming system carefully lifts each leg, cleans, and trims the toenails to the perfect length, all in under a minute per animal. No stress, no pain, and no need for manual restraint. Watch how smoothly the wool glides off, leaving the sheep unharmed and calm. The machine adjusts pressure based on resistance, preventing skin cuts, a big improvement over traditional methods. Wool is automatically collected, baled, and sent. For processing, no manual handling needed. After shearing, cleanliness is key. These sheep go through a hygiene station where they're gently sprayed with warm water and natural disinfectants. Rotating brushes remove dirt and parasites, keeping them healthy and infection-free. Now, let's head over to the dairy section. Head over to the dairy section, where robotic milking is fully automated. RFID tags on each sheep track their milk cycles and yield history. As they step into the stall, the machine identifies them, sanitizes the teats, and begins milking without a single human hand involved. Milk is collected in sterile containers, cooled instantly, and recorded with full traceability. Farmers can track which sheep produced how much milk, what time, and even detect early signs of illness. This level of efficiency boosts production and ensures top-quality dairy products. After milking, hygiene is key, not just for the machine, but for the animals too. This modern sheep farming system includes a gentle post-milking shower. It helps remove any leftover dirt or milk residue, cools the animals in warm weather, and keeps their skin and wool healthy. Clean sheep are healthy sheep, and that means better productivity and comfort. While automation handles the heavy lifting, trained staff supervise operations, maintain machines, and ensure everything runs smoothly. These aren't just farms, they're smart ecosystems that combine engineering, AI, and animal science. The result? Happier animals, higher yield, and less labor stress. With these systems, farms can scale faster, reduce disease risk, and meet global demand efficiently. This is the future of livestock: smart, ethical, and sustainable. Thanks for watching. If you found this technology amazing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below what modern farming innovation you'd like to see next.